So let's test out this paper airplane, guys. Hi guys, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today let's test out a new paper airplane. This is my newest design and I'm very happy with the outcome. This is a very unique shape, right? Take a look at it on the top here. This looks so nice. And what's the cool thing about this plane is it can fly for a distance. But keep in mind, this is not a plane for contest. It's just a plane for fun. Okay, so check it out. Wow. This is good to fly indoor, but I'd like to show you guys how it's fly outdoor, by the way, because I think outdoor is a better place to fly this plane. So check it out. Wow, cool, right? Let me pick it up again. It just flies for a distance. Check it out again. Wow. Imagine that if you throw it from a very high building, something is to fly for further. So let me go back here. And I'll make one more throw to show you guys how this plane flies. It flies along with the wings very well. So let me hold it higher and throw it. Hold the plane right here. Just throw it. Wow, awesome. So this is a new paper airplane. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this test flight. And are you ready for the new tutorial? If you do, give it a like and comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.